today I want to paint a little story for you guys. I'm going to pretend to be an account executive. So as you see, that's my photo right there. And I'm setting up with a new customer. I just made a sale and it's great. Things are going well, but I have to tie in some other teammates into this meeting that I like to have with my customer before we can get them onboarded correctly. So I need my implementation project manager to jump on a call with me and communicate with that customer, as well as I need the CSM for that customer account to jump on that call as well. And traditionally, what that would look like is all of us would be sending emails back and forth until we can each find an appropriate time slot where all of us can meet on a call together. However, that has been the wrong way of doing things. Now with Cirrus Insight Team scheduling, what I can do is I can share out a mutual availability link that showcases my schedule, my implementation product manager schedule, and my CSM manager schedule all in one link. And that link I'll send directly to my customer, and he or she will be able to click on whatever time slot availability works best for them. And then that meeting will get booked collectively on all calendars with an integrated Zoom or Microsoft Teams link. So with team scheduling, we'll be able to reduce that scheduling complexity. We'll be able to show the mutual availability of all the team members internally in one click. And as that's sent to that customer, then they can choose which time slot works for them, and it will all be a much faster booking process. You can book meetings up to 8 times faster on average. It has been 8 emails back and forth between team members and customers to get a meeting booked collectively, but now we can do it all in one single email. And so there'll be those no more back and forth emails. And one of the best features is one of these events, when it is created and when that calendar is set, then it will automatically create an event within your Salesforce. And I also want to touch on again, each of these meetings will auto-integrate with Zoom and Microsoft Teams and create that Zoom or Microsoft Teams link within the calendar invitation on your calendar and on your customer's calendar. And Cirrus Insight also integrates with Gmail and Outlook. So now I want to showcase what this exactly looks like. So I'm going to switch over to this here mailbox where I have my Cirrus Insight sidebar loaded up right here on the side, and I'm inside my mailbox here. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up a team scheduling link. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my calendar scheduling tab here within my headline bar. And then I'm going to jump down to one of my calendars. You see, I have my personal calendar here, but I also have this project implementation calendar, and that's the one I want to set up a team scheduling link under. So it's very simple. All I do is click this people icon, and I'm going to type in the team member names. So we're going to add Amy here, and then we're also going to add our also other team member Sai. So now we have 2 team members within here. And a quick way to check is I can just click this get link button if I'd like to, but we're going to continue on with making sure this team scheduling gets set up smoothly. So we'll just call this the demo team alpha, and go ahead and create that team schedule. And now we have our demo team alpha, the one we just created right here. And I can do a couple different things from this screen. I can either click this link and add it directly to my clipboard so I can paste it within a compose window and send that directly to my customer. I can also go through and select some time slot buttons if I'd like to, but I want to showcase what it looks like from the customer's point of view. So what I can do is I can go through 3 dots right here, click the view scheduling page. It will open up a new link here within my browser, and I will be able to click through and look at which time slots all 3 of us. So if we go over to the left side of the screen here and take a look, we have Austin Deering, that's me, Amy, and Sai, and we're able to see which open available time slots all 3 of us have available within our calendar. So if I go ahead and I click on Wednesday the 31st at, let's say, 9:30 a.m., I can then enter a name. So let's just say a customer's name is Sally, and we'll use her demo email here. Perfect. And another great feature here within team scheduling and calendar scheduling is we can add questions that we want to ask our customers before they book that meeting with us. So right now we just have a demo question. What is your favorite color? We're going to say blue because blue is a great color. And we can go ahead and click this schedule meeting right here. And when the schedule meeting gets clicked, we have a confirm window pop up. We have this cancel meeting if we schedule it by mistake. And if I click that, it'll take us back and we can select a new time slot. But let's jump over to my calendar here. And we scheduled it on Wednesday, the 31st. And let's look at it from a day view here. So click Wednesday, the 31st. Excellent. And if we look at 9:30 a.m. right here, that is the meeting that we set up, and it has Sally, our customer, Amy, and Sai. And of course, this is on my calendar, so it has me included on this as well. And if you see right here, it has that Zoom link that it auto-integrated into this calendar invite, so I do not need to manually input that link. Now I'm going to jump back over here to the presentation. And I'm going to leave it here and open it up to some questions.